Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get transcripts from YouTube videos. The process is quite simple and easy. First of all, open your YouTube app. Search for the video from which you want to get the transcript, like I'm searching for a random song, by tapping on the search bar icon, and write the song name. So here is the song, and I will get a transcript of this song after playing it. What do you have to do from here? You will see this icon more. Tap on this one. Now scroll down, and here is the option, Show Transcript. Tap on this one. So here is the transcript of this video. It was a primary way by which you could get a transcript from YouTube videos. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.